I'll be showing you how to turn off silent mode on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. So if your iPhone is in silent mode and it's not ringing and notification sounds are not coming through, then you can long press on the action button. So this is the action button available on all iPhone 16 models. So it's right above the volume rockers. And what you want to do is long press on that button. And when it says ring and it's white, that means you've turned off silent mode. Okay, so let me turn it back on by long pressing again. Currently it's in silent mode, so to turn it off, long press on that button. Okay, make sure you don't press it once, because if you press it once, it just tells you the current state of your iPhone. It's only a long press that will turn off silent mode. Now, in case you've disabled this action button, or maybe you've mapped it to something else, you can also turn off silent mode by going to settings. Let me just go back to the main settings page. So on settings, if you scroll down, you should see sounds and haptics. Tap on that, and then you will see, in case you have silent mode enabled, it's gonna look like this. Okay, and so to turn off silent mode, just turn off this toggle button, and that's another way of turning off silent mode on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tips, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.